You're tired of traditional banks, right? The endless queues, the hidden fees, the outdated systems? You're not alone. In a world screaming for convenience and transparency, a new breed of banks has emerged, neon banks. But here's the million-dollar question: where on earth can you actually use one? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of where you can and can't open a neon bank account, let's talk about what makes these digital darlings so different. Unlike your grandpa's bank, neon banks are built for the digital age. No more stuffy branches, no more paperwork. It's all about sleek apps, lightning-fast transactions, and a focus on your financial well-being. But enough about the perks, let's get to the brass tacks. Where can you actually open a neon bank account? Well, the landscape is a bit patchy. While the dream of a global neon bank is still a work in progress, there are definitely some countries leading the charge. Switzerland, for instance, is practically a neon bank utopia. They've got a bunch of different options, each with its own unique features. Think of it as a neon bank buffet. But don't get too excited just yet. While Switzerland might be the neon bank promised land, it's not the only game in town. Some other European countries are starting to catch on. You'll find a growing number of options in places like Germany, France, and the UK. These neon banks might not have the same level of choice as Switzerland, but they're definitely making strides. However, if you're based somewhere outside of Europe, your neon bank options might be a bit more limited. While there are a few early adopters in places like Australia and Singapore, the overall picture is still a bit bleak. But fear not. The world of finance is moving fast, and it's only a matter of time before neon banks become a global phenomenon. So, to recap, Switzerland is your neon bank paradise, Europe is catching up, and the rest of the world is playing catch up. But remember, the neon bank landscape is constantly evolving. New players are emerging all the time, and existing ones are expanding their reach. So, if your country isn't on the neon bank map yet, don't lose hope. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay on top of your finances.